Techie Flanders here. Welcome back to my channel where I'm showing you everything that I did to make this website using Bootstrap. After learning Bootstrap, I had to make a website and I made this one, and I'm going to show you everything that I did to make this website. In the last lesson, we did the navigation. Though we have not added these small icons, we are going to add those after we make the whole website. And now the next thing I needed for my website was this slider here, and in Bootstrap it's called carousel. It's already made, so you don't need to make it again. You can just copy the code, and that's the beauty of Bootstrap. You don't need to know how to make this code. You can just copy it, add it, and just be done with it, edit, and it will look amazing. So on the left column in your Bootstrap website, check carousel here. After clicking that, you get different examples, and you can choose whichever you like. So I scroll down to examples, and I saw there's this slide only without the navigation, the button. And there's this other one that slides and has a title here, and it also has these buttons, but there's also this one sliding that shows the counter here. Then there's this one, the slides, it has the titles here and also a counter. So I chose this one, and its code is here. So I copied the code by clicking copy, then back to my file index.html, I pasted the code. Just that. Now after pasting the code here, I save, and refreshing the site here, you will be able to see something. As you can see, this is the slider, but there's no image, so that is why you can see like nothing is working. So we go back to our folder here, and inside this image folder, the pics folder, we need to add an image. I have an image here. I want to use this image, this desk 2. It's the same image I used for that site, so I want to use it again. So I copy this and I paste it here. Okay, so now here we are going to have this same image that we are going to add to our new site. There we have it. There's 2. It's a JPG image. So I come to my file here, and on image source here, I say it's in pics. Okay, desk2 dot jpg. Okay, so if I save this, I should be able to see the image here. There you go, it's there. That is the image, and now you can see it sliding, but there's nothing on the other pages. So to make this simple, you just copy this and have the same image. Now when you're making yours, you can have different images, but I will use the same image for illustration purposes. But you can have as many images as you want, but just keep it to just 3. You don't want to bore your visitors or people looking at your site with very many images. Okay, and then here we can just change a bit. We can take our title here, boot school, and we add it here. That's it. Okay, so let us do it for that way. Then under it there we can have a button. Okay, maybe login, or a person can also register. So if we save this and we view them here by refreshing the page, you will see we have boot school, login, register, but we need to change this. We need to give this some good view. We make these buttons, make them buttons, so we give these ones a class. Okay, class is equals to btn dash lg for large buttons. Okay, btn dash info. Okay, but now this one we want it to be outline. So to make sure the two buttons are a bit different. Okay, boot school. So let us give this a class display is a bootstrap class display. We give it to the bootstrap class that makes the font a bit big and nice looking. So you can just change this here. Okay, this, then we refresh. You see we have boot school. We need to change the color of the text here. Yeah, at least to make it visible. Okay, for our title layer, let us give it a color of text dash danger. That is a red color, so it will be more visible. Let's say boot school, login, register. And actually we can just give this warning instead of so to match the other button you can just change this color here from info change this color from info to warning. Okay, this will make sure will give you uniformity and make your site have a theme, yeah, to create like a theme, a uniform theme. You see this yellow is the same as this. We can even make this color red for our school there. We make this we give this a class, we give this text dash danger. Okay, this will make sure the color is red for our school here. And you see now this looks like this and this looks like this. It's a bit theme, it's a theme feel. Yeah, now you can see we have a slider with all our images. And thank you for watching this lesson. Practice, and in the next lesson we are going to move further and make the website look even better. And finally we shall add the icons, and you're going to learn everything I did to create this website with Bootstrap. Thank you and see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe.